Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how can I track commission and split rate in QuickBooks Online. So, let's get started. When you are on the QuickBooks dashboard, go to the Sales tab. On the Sales page, go to the Products and Sales section. Next, click on Create New and choose Service. In the Name section, type Commission. Next, in the Category section, select Commission. After reviewing everything, click on the Save and Close button in the bottom right. Now, go to the Invoice section. Click on the Create Invoice button. Choose the customer in the Add Customer section. Next, add the products or services one by one. To calculate the commission deeply added in more than 2 services. Here you can see subtotal and sales tax. Double-check everything and click on the Review and Send button. Next, enter the email and click on the Send Invoice button. And there you have it. This is how you can track commission and split rates in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.